Hello, this video is about the 3 things I had trouble with when I started. If you have ideas for short tutorials like these, please let me know. First you need to take these measurements. Remember to take all the measurements from the same height. Using simple mathematics, I'll make room for the padding. In this version you start by drawing a triangle like this. The idea here is the same, but instead of one, you draw 2 triangles, like this. That's it for the templates. This is usually the hardest part, since other parts like cheek plates can be just flat pieces without much of a curve. Usually I would use the ball peen hammer like that, and then I would start working it from the edges. Now working on that center area was always the most problematic part for me. So recently I realized that it's much easier with a large hammer like this. It bends a larger area in one hit, and it helps to shape the piece in a way a small hammer cannot. Well, this template came out actually pretty well, and I'll use it for some future project. This is a very simple example for a helmet liner. It's not perfect, but it's what I used so far, and I'll study this more in the future. These templates are made from the measurements I showed earlier. Notice that there's 2 different versions. Then you just sew the pieces on, like this. I hope this helped some of you, and I also have this helmet tutorial coming up next week. See you then!